Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is the cost of believing and following God. So, nasa who is Noah pa rin po tayo. Noah lived in time when people did not listen to God anymore. The world was full of sin, violence, and selfishness. God asked Noah to do something that sounded impossible, to build a very big boat on a dry land, even before rain had ever fallen. People laughed at him, but Noah believed God. He trusted God's word, and obeyed him for many years. Noah's life teaches us that following God may be hard and lonely, but God has always keeps his promises. We see that Noah was saved not because he was perfect, but because God gave him grace and faith to believe and obey. So ayon po sa Genesis chapter 6 verse 22, Noah did everything just as God commanded him. So ayon po sa ating katuruan, it is hard to follow God because of test of faith. So mahirap sundin ang Diyos dahil hindi madali ang mga pagsubok. When you follow God, hindi ibig sabihin na wala ka ng problema or problems. In fact, masusubok ang faith mo, may delays, sacrifices at moments na hindi mo naintindihan ang ginagawa ng Diyos. Pero these tests are meant to strengthen your faith, not to destroy it. And next is, it is harder not to follow God because of judgment. So, mas mahirap ang hindi pagsunod sa Diyos kapag pinili mo mabuhay without God. So, mas mahirap ang hindi pagsunod sa Diyos kapag pinili mo mabuhay without God. So, you may feel free at first, pero eventually, haharap ka sa consequence, guilt, brokenness, at sa huli, God's judgment. Ang hirap ng buhay na walang direction at walang assurance and ng hope. And God vindicates those who believe and obey Him. So, ang Diyos ay tapat. He defends, restores, and honors those who trust and obey Him. Kahit mukhang talo ka ngayon, darating ang time na ipapakita ng Diyos na tamang ginawang pagsunod. God will make things right in His perfect time. In supplications, choose your heart wisely and anticipate the testing of your faith. And obey until your faith in God is vindicated. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat.